We talked about vision boards. We talked about the goal sheet. And again, you can go to Easton University. You guys, you have access to it in the portal. You can do it right from the homepage. Anybody can download it. It's Easton University /goals. You'll get the template for that daily goal sheet, which is where you could put send a quote every day, all of that stuff in there. Don't put, you had mentioned your daughter, okay? There was a time when I was a single dad and I had a daughter. It was just my daughter and I together. Don't put a picture of your daughter on that vision board. And I'm not saying that to be heartless. I'm saying that because Alex, your daughter is going to love you whether you hit these goals or not. And that's a mistake that a lot of people make. When they're trying to motivate themselves, they'll put pictures of their family. They'll put pictures of their pet. They'll put pictures of their kids. Okay? There's a difference between inspiration and motivation. If I see a picture of my family, that inspires me. That gets my juices flowing, right? But I don't want to disappoint my family. That's the only way that might motivate me is, my family will hate me. But I know my family well enough where we could live in a trailer park and they'll be like, Dad, you did your best. I don't have a problem with that, right? So me putting pictures of my family doesn't motivate me. Like, I'm going to put a picture of the condo I don't have. Now, maybe you want your daughter to be able to go to an Ivy League school. So put pictures of the logos of Harvard, Brown, all the overpriced Ivy League schools. I'm okay with that. I would like whatever that picture is to be something that you could get within the next, call it 12 to 24 months. Even if you're like, I'm 2 years out, that's okay. Put that on there because you're going to be shocked at how fast you'll be able to achieve it. And you'll be like, dude, I'm way ahead of schedule. Cool. Great. Bought that car, put that money in an account for my daughter or whatever it was. But make sure on your vision board, the thing that you're looking at every day when you're getting your butt kicked is something that you don't already have. And it's not something as guaranteed as your daughter's love. Because I'm just going to be honest, whether she tells you or not, Alex, your daughter loves you. You're her daddy forever, right? So that's not your inspiration, right? Your inspiration has to be, your motivation has to be something you don't already have, if that makes sense.